What's up, invaders? Welcome to Code Architect 1.0. If ever you're watching this video, I would presume that you wanna gonna register yourselves for the event Code Architect 1.0, and you'd like to know the registration process for this event Code Architect 1.0. So, let's move on. Alright, guys, the very first thing that you'll have to have is a very good web browser with a well established internet connection. Well, guys, you might use your mobile phone or your laptop or your desktop PC or whatever you like to have, but you like to have your internet connection with some of your computational device. Well, guys, the first ever thing that you like to do is enter our college URL. So once you type in our college URL, you'll be navigated to our college's website. So you could observe this web page of our college. So once you're done with this, just keep scrolling down till you find something like ACM encircled in a circle. So it'll be under the professional activities tab. So once you get navigated to this, alright guys, just hold on. Okay, just left click on this ACM so that you'll be redirected to our ACM website. So this is our ACM student chapters website, and here's where you'll be finding all the registration stuffs for any events that are organized by ACM student chapter. Well, guys, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find something like ACM Code Architect and Intra College Coding Contest. So left click on this so that you'll be redirected to another page, and in this page you'll find all the description stuff about ACM Code Architect and why should you need to participate in it and how is it going to be organized and stuff like that. Well, guys, if you could observe here, you'll be finding two links. One is going to be redirected to the HackerRank, and the other is to the registration form. Well, guys, in order to register yourselves for this event, you'll have to have a HackerRank account. So right click on this HackerRank and you'll find some options, and left click on this open link in new tab. So once you click on this, you'll find that a new tab gets open and hackerrank.com website page loads. And the other thing, the now you what you need to gotta do is you'll have to fill in all the details and you'll have to sign up for HackerRank. For instance, I'll be signing myself for the HackerRank. Akhil Dan. Hi guys, my name is not Akhil Dan, but for demonstration purpose, I've chosen my name as Akhil Dan. So whatever your name is, you'll have to have place that name in here, and you'll have to have an email of yours. For instance, I've created a duplicate email of mine as I've already been using my original email for my HackerRank account. Alright, sounds like little crazy. And also, you'll also have to have some password for yourself so that you'll be using this password whenever you wanna gonna sign into this or log into this HackerRank account. So the immediate step that you have to do is you'll have to left click on the sign up and start coding. Once you click on this, then it gets navigated to the opening page of the HackerRank, and you'll find something like this. Welcome, thanks for signing up. Your username is AkhilDemo678, and this is gonna be your username, whatever name appears for you whenever you register with your email and your username and stuff like that. So you'll have to note this username, because the very next time and the subsequent times whenever you log into HackerRank, this is gonna be helping you in order to log into HackerRank. And you'll have to preserve this username as well as the password which you've chosen before. So note this down somewhere in a piece of paper or in your minds, or just try to capture a snapshot of this and save it somewhere. Alright, guys, the very next step that you need to do is again re-navigate to our ACM PVPSID webpage and right click on this register, and you'll find open link in new tab, and left click on this so that you'll be redirected to a Google form page. Alright, guys, we're halfway done. We're only halfway remaining. Okay, so this Google form says you'll have to sign in to fill this form. Well, you'll have to sign in through your Google account in order to fill this form, else you can't fill the form. Alright, guys, let's essentially try to sign in to our Google Forms, and so that we could just fill those forms out there in order to send our data to Code Architect 1.0. Alright, guys, so once you're done with this, you can fill this form, and while filling this form you'll have to choose all your options in an appropriate manner. Alright, so this is my email which I've created, and that's the reason why, for demonstration purpose, I'm just typing in my email. Alright, and for demonstration purpose, my registration name, which is to be appear in the certificate which we would be issuing you at the end of the day, is this. So for instance, if your name is, let's say, Rohit Sharma, you'll have to place Rohit Sharma in here instead of Akhildon. So whatever your name is, you'll have to enter that name in here. And the next thing you'll have to do is you'll have to choose your section, whatever your section is. And the next thing is your registration number, whatever it might be, and department, whichever department you belong to, and the year, that is whether you're first year of BTech, second year of BTech, third year of BTech, first year of MBA, second year of MCA, or stuff like that, which would be appropriate to you. Alright, as I'm belonging to third year of BTech, it's my stuff. And the next thing you'll ever have to do is you'll have to fill in your phone number in here so that we can call you for some purpose, as if there are any queries. And most people would not need to afraid that our numbers privacy is gonna be lost, because we're never gonna reveal your numbers to anyone. Alright, guys, the final column that you have to fill in is the HackerRank username. Well, remember, just a while before, I've asked you to save your HackerRank username somewhere. If ever you have not saved as well, try to copy this name, AkhilDemo678 in my case, and paste your HackerRank username in here. And once you've done with this, double check the form so that sometimes, most often, people would commit some errors unnoticingly, so that once double checking it, you could actually um, rectify or modify the changes whichever you've committed wrong in your first attempt. If you're done well, then you doesn't need to edit anything. And the final thing you like to do is submit. Left click on this. Alright, guys, your response has been recorded. Thank you so much, guys. So I hope you had fun in watching this video, and thank you so much for getting registered for this Code Architect 1.0. All the very best for you in this contest. Thank you so much, guys, once again.